What's happening there, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well during this lockdown and staying home, doing what you need to do. Unfortunately, I've still got to work. Still get to maintain my car to some sort of standard. Since my last video, I've done a couple more bits on the car. Nothing major, just a couple of bits. I just want to keep you updated. I've fitted my braided lines on the front, and I've tried to adjust my coilovers because I'm getting that scrape on the left hand side. So that I've resolved. Braided lines are on, I'll show you them. And then I come across, whilst doing my braided lines, that the CV boot, the clips had snapped and I'd lost one and it shot all the grease everywhere, so I've just repacked that and redone it. It just all needs cleaning up now. But yeah, I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you're all staying home. Hopefully this won't go on for much longer, because Ace Cafe is supposed to be next weekend and unfortunately it's all been cancelled, rightly so as well. It was a good decision made by Vicar to cancel the show. So at the end of the day, everyone needs to stay safe. Everyone needs to abide by the rules so we can all get past this the best way we can. So yeah, that's me updated. Stay tuned. I'm filming this on my phone only because my DSLR went into the camera shop because it wasn't reading the SD card when I was doing my last video, so I lost a bit of footage. So yeah, more to come. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay home. If you're working, well done. If you're not, then that's one of them. Let me show you this. So as you can see, in my braided hoses, they're by a company called Hell, if you can see that, HEL. I got them off the sales page on the ST170 owners. Do a whole lot of difference when you're rocking them on Mondeo calipers. So yeah, that's that with them. Fan dabby dozy. I need to do the rears. This is all the mess from when that CV joint popped out, but as you can see, the boot was still good to go. It just needed resecuring, so I got some new clips for that. It's getting there, slowly but surely. At least the sun's out. Still got quite a bit of stuff to do, but I've got the next 3 days off work so I can get some bits done on the car. But like I said, stay home, stay safe. I know in this beautiful weather it's nice to go out and do all sorts, but just don't do it. It's absolutely redundant. Yeah, stay home, stay safe. The only reason I'm out working on my car, let me get some light in here. It's really weird going back to my phone, filming on my phone. It's really weird because I like my DSLR and it does a really good job. But this is really weird going back to this. New t-shirt is on. Love my new t-shirts. I'll be sorting them out soon. Beautiful weather, can't go anywhere, can't do anything. Working on my car only because I need it to go to and from work. I've now got to do the wheel speed sensor because my speedo has stopped working. Sorry about the noise. I can't hook up my microphone to this phone, it's a whole heap of shit, but I need to do the wheel speed sensor. So I'm going to do that in a minute. But yeah, I know I keep saying it, but I need to advocate it. Stay home, stay safe, save the NHS. My wife works for the NHS, so I really hope you can abide by these rules. And until next time, guys, so stay tuned, more coming as soon as lockdown's fucked off.